Hey guys, today I continuing with doing the rest of the paint work with the epoxy primer below, beneath the driver's cabin. I have to go in here and in there. I had also to mask the brake lines there and L wiring over there. Hi guys, I'm finally done below. I can say it looks great. The bumper, the tow crook, the floor. Hey guys, today I was starting up with rubbing down the roof. 2K epoxy primer, and Fian is ready to original paint it back again afterwards. Okay. So, start grinding on the roof is done. So I'm starting now with fine grinding and till I come back on the original color, some layer below, before the 2-3 layers on the upside. I did for 5-6 years ago. So I grind it down and come back to the original paint beneath. And then I can go further on with 2-component epoxy primer and filler. Hello guys, I'm ready to starting the primer from the driver's cabin. Starting here up in the back. It's mask over the door sides. Not professional, but it's efficient. The window screen here, and also the driver's door here. So I'm starting in about 10-20 minutes. So see you later. Hello guys and good morning. Nice to see you back on my channel. Today I'm removing the mask here on the loading bed here and the mask in the cabin because I'm done with the 2K epoxy filler and I'm continuing with building up my carrosserie carousel. So that's it for now. So we'll take a look on it. So I'm pleased with the result. What I've done, a cabin, the side here, here, the front, the bumper, this side here, and also the long side. So I'll show you the roof. So it looks great. I'm very pleased with it. I think I did a good job. Here I have to go over once more later. But as you see, I think it's looking great. Okay, see you in the next one. Hey guys, here you see the parts I have to build together. And all the parts here. The wheels behind there. All those items I need to build together. My, what should I say? They call it for a car turner or a car whirler, but I will rather say a rotisserie, a kind of rotisserie. So it will take me some hours, I suppose, to take the time what it will take. And it is done when it is done. Okay, see you later. Hello guys. I'm just done for today. It's been a long day. The car lifter is almost complete. Of this complete. Look here. And there below. And that is all. So on other side there I can look from beneath, and here from this side. So I have to make an adapter over here so that I can fasten it here in the puller. So see you later. Bye.